We start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned still we can expect the price to drop, but if we get any buy setup, we will be more interested in the buy. And even we talk about if we get the correction, how we can look for sell. Actually, there was a small flag and the price dropped, but it was not a good trade. Even we mentioned any sale can be short term. That's why we mentioned we are more interested in the buy. But the thing is, we get the reversal, but we didn't get any buy setup. Now the thing is, how we can look at this, whether can give us a correction for one move up, or this one is a corrective move similar to this for one more drop. For sure, if the price drop and break this low, can give me as a better confirmation for the reversal, which we will be more interested. Okay, now the thing is how we can trade it. We start with higher time frame. All right. Based on higher time frame, we have seen after this sharp move, we have been within this. Now the way is moving, dropping is really corrective. Whether we can expect for the reversal or bigger correction for one more drop. All right, now we want to see how we can trade it if I move to forward chart. Okay, as we can see based on forward chart, we have been with, like last time when the price was here, we were talking about putting this one to each other as a correction, as a flat. But when we see the way is moving, this one in terms of the length is not similar to what we have here. Okay, can we expect first option? Okay, but before we talk about the different option, what we are more interested, again, we are looking for buy. But whether this is the start of the up move or this one can turn to a bigger correction for one more drop. That's why we can expect this one start the up move, but whether in terms of the corrective or we see whether based on lower time frame, we see whether if we get a this move, we can get any trade setup or not. But the thing is, if this one move as a corrective based on forward chart, still we can expect that the internal correction for bigger for one more drop. Okay, that's mean if we get the buy, we see the price is not moving fast, we should be aware that the price still can drop one more. Then if we get the breakout of this and if we get a current any flat here in relative to this for next drop, any reversal, we will be more interested. Okay. By the way, if we get any buy from here, if it is we take it, but if it is not moving, we take out the trade. I know we want to see whether we can have any whether we have any trade set up or not. But when we move to 1 hour chart, the way because we get this up move, but right now we don't have any correction. That means we don't have any buy setup. Even the price break this trend line, we cannot trade based on the breakout. If this one turn to a bigger correction, at least a flat, okay, for one more drop, then we can look for buy. Okay, but right now we cannot buy because the way is moving. Still, we can expect one more drop similar to this, or even this one can be a bigger correction for one more drop. But if it's moving in terms of the corrective, we cannot trade it. Okay. By the way, we don't have any buy setup unless we see the changes, we get the correction here. Okay. And the another option, how about if the price after correcting here suddenly sharply move? The only way having entry above this. And if the price tag we see is not moving within 1 or 2 hours, we take out the trade. But right now we cannot confirm we're for buy. Okay. And the only thing says, how about if this one start to, continue as a corrective, any sharp move flag, we can take it. If anyone is looking for sell, short-term sell, as long as the price break this low, they start to manage it. By the way, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we want to see how long we will be within this move, and the possibility this one move as a channel is there. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, but again, we are interested in the buy. Any sell will be short term. As long as we get into the profit, if we take the sell, we start to manage. And if the price break this low, for sure can give us a better correction for one more drop. If we get this correction, if we get correction here for one more drop, then any buy from there we will look for. This is what we are more interested in and can give us a better trade setup. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup or update, I will share. Thanks.